there, YouTube? Double D here with Tournage du Bois. Welcome back. We are here to do the giveaway video for the Tung wax kit from Brad over at Brad's Workbench. So let's get right to the process. We are here with a YouTube random comment generator. We've got my video link plugged in. We're filtering any duplicate users. We're going to look for the specific phrase, I need some tongue wax, and we're going to get our comment. So let's see what we've got here. So we have 13 unique comments that have been used. So in those 13 comments, we're going to pick our random winner. And our random winner is Tim over at Bad Apple Woodworks. Congratulations, Tim. Shoot me a message with your info. I'll pass that along to Brad, and we'll get that tongue wax kit out. If you haven't checked out Tim's channel, I will put a link to his channel right up here. Bad Apple Woodworks. He does some really cool projects, not just wood turning, but also other types of woodworking and things like that. So definitely check him out and give him a follow as well. Congratulations, Tim, and thanks for participating, everybody. Thank you for your continued support, and we'll catch you next time.